Good morning, students. Today we'll be constructing a triangle when all its three sides are given. So in your textbook, we are doing problem set 2 now from first topic. They have said draw triangle ABC such that AB is 5.5, BC is 4.2 centimeters and AC is 3.5 centimeters. Now before you draw you do the construction, it's very necessary you first draw rough diagram so that you come to know, looking at that rough diagram you can draw your main diagram. So this here I am drawing a rough triangle over here. For our reference we are drawing this. Okay, surface is little rough. I'll take a book over here. Okay, let me take one book below. Fine. Now triangle is ABC and AB is given 5.5, which is the biggest side. So I wish to take it as a base. So I'm writing here A, B and obviously C will be over here. So first you do this, you come to know, and looking at this only you can draw the triangle. Now how much is AB given? 5.5. So immediately you write here 5.5. Next is what? BC is 4.2. From B to C is 4.2, all in centimeters. And AC is given 3.5. A to C is 3.5. So looking at this, now you can draw a triangle. So let's start immediately. It's very easy. So first base should be 5.5 approximately. So I am taking 5.5 at the base. 5.5. Now see students, while taking the measurements, start from 0 always here. Don't start from 1. Majority of the time you do this mistake. 5.5 is 5. This is 5.1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5.5 comes over here. Join this. This is your AB. Immediately write 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Now next they have given as AC is 3.5. Now you held a pencil in compass like this. See this, both the edges are at the same height. Fix it and take exactly 3.5. So you're going to take 3.5 in compass. So this is your 3 and this is your 3.5. Okay. 3.5 exactly you are taking over here. So adjust it till it is 3.5. Now which is 3.5 A to C? This is your A point. So you have to keep over here A and draw an arc. Keeping at A, draw an arc. Now this BC is 4.2. Now change. Now take 4.2 in a compass. Again 4.2 will be 4, 1 and 2 here. This much. Okay. So 4.2 I am taking in the compass exactly. This is 4.2. I hope you all can see it. Okay. Now what is 4.2? B to C. I am putting it over here, B point, and cutting this. Okay. So these two arcs are cut. They are cutting each other over here. If you want, I'll zoom it and show it to you. Can you see now very clearly? So this point we got. Now we are going to join this point with A and this point with B. Which is this point we got? That is nothing but C we got. So I am writing here C. Okay. And I am joining these two sides of a triangle. Okay. And that's our construction. So which is this point C? AC will be 3.5 centimeter and this is 4.2 centimeter. Now what you should notice, all the three sides are different in length and therefore this is scalene triangle. Alright. Now this was your first question. In that I have done first construction A. B and C you will be doing on your own as a homework. Now in this second construction they have said that, please listen carefully. Isosceles triangle you have to do. You have to draw. What do you mean by isosceles? Two sides are equal. So draw first rough diagram. These two sides will be equal. I should be knowing this, isn't it? This is my rough diagram. Now base is 5 centimeter. So base should be 5 centimeter. And other sides are 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 and 3.5. Other sides means 2 will be same. Now give any name as your choice. P, Q, R. Now look at this and draw over here your isosceles triangle. So base is how much? 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters base we will draw first. So my base is over here. From here to here. Exactly 5 centimeters. Okay. Now one side is 3.5, so take 3.5 in a compass. So this is 3.5 exactly. I am taking, see, 3.5. Now see students, once it is taken, both the sides are 3.5. So you need not take it again. Just keep it over here, draw an arc. Same distance, you keep it over here and draw an arc because both sides are same. And you got the third point, that is P, this is Q and this is R. It is very important to draw the rough diagram. Looking at this only, you are drawing the fair one. Alright, so please draw rough diagram always. Okay, and join this. Okay, I'm removing this book so it is clear for you to understand. See now, can you see both the constructions? Okay, let us write here. This is 5 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter, and this becomes 3.5 centimeter. Okay, see, I'm showing it again. This is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means both sides are same. You can give like this mark over here. So isosceles triangle, and up you have drawn, that is scalene triangle. Now third question says that draw an equilateral triangle. I'm just turning the page and we will draw here equilateral triangle. For that also, let me draw the rough diagram first. So this is my rough diagram. Equilateral means all the sides will be equal. Equilateral triangle, each side is 6.5 centimeters. So this is also 6.5, this is also 6.5. Give any name of your choice, say X, Y and Z. Let us quickly draw an equilateral triangle as well. So we are drawing equilateral triangle now. So base I will take 6.5 and all the three sides are 6.5. Okay. So this is 6.5 over here, starting from here and then join. Okay. Now see, you need not take the scale again. This itself is 6.5. No. So measure it directly. This is 6.5. Give an arc over here. With the same distance, you also give arc over here. Okay, you got a point? Right? So see, you got the point? It is clear. Now I am joining these 2 points. This point I am joining with this. And this point I am joining with over here. All the three sides are same. Can you see? So this is X, Y and Z. This is 6.5 centimeters. This is 6.5 centimeter. And this is also 6.5 centimeters. How to show or indicate all three sides are equal? You can do like this marks. So this is your equilateral triangle where all the three sides are equal. I guess these are only the 3 types of triangles depending upon the length of the sides: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So you can do now set 2 on your own. We'll stop here. That's all from my side today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.